Room floors covered with row goods, such as carpet and sheet vinyl, are laid out with seams. Click on any room with row goods. A cut sheet window is popped at the lower bottom section. Validating seam replacement and making adjustment is an important step of layout estimating process. First, validate overall layout direction for a row good at floor level. If it needs to be adjusted, select one of major layout direction commands to re-estimate. If room takeoffs are not along horizontal or vertical direction, toggle on the Set Direction by Edge button, and then adjust layout direction of those rooms along one of their wall directions. Mouse over the wall segment at either end. Observe the arrow direction at either end. Left click to take effect. Next, inspect if seams are placed in proper locations in each individual room, area, or corridors. Use Seam tab to switch seam side, switch layout direction, or add extra seams with each room area as needed. Seams can be easily dragged and shifted with left mouse cursor, and while dragging the line can be snapped into any corner points highlighted with a green spot, or they can be aligned with a highlighted wall. To drag a seam while keeping product width across all lanes, press down the Shift key while dragging the seam. Otherwise, it will only affect seams on one side of the shifting. To remove a seam, simply drag and drop it out of the room area. Optionally use Delete Seam command under Seam tab. After you fine-tune the seam placement on a room, to prevent seam locations being accidentally moved or even lost at the re-estimating operation, use Lock Seam command to seam lock locations of any selected rooms. After that, seam color changes to burgundy and can no longer be shifted. To unlock, select Rooms, use Reset Seam in Seam Tool tab to unlock. Then seam line color resumes to regular seam color.